Since Neil Armstrong's successful walk on the moon, space exploration has been opening doors to many opportunities and scientific breakthroughs. The debate on whether the space companies should still be funded has been a big topic in the world today, especially now that NASA has ended their space shuttle program. Some people are completely opposed to funding space exploration. They say that they would have enough problems here on Earth and that we should keep our focus here, not somewhere out in space. I believe space exploration should continue to be funded by the government because it has informed us so much about our planet, our galaxy, and our universe. Today I'll be discussing the benefits space exploration has had on the world and the economic indifference it makes to it. First, I would like to explain how space exploration benefits the world. Space exploration has benefited the world in a large way. Because of space exploration, discoveries have been made not only in the United States, but also all over the world. Many items have been discovered that have been contributed to the world today, such as memory foam, scratch-resistant lenses, and has even helped in cancer research. Many people have turned to using memory foam as a mattress. As Cogger mentioned in his article, 10 NASA Inventions You Might Use Today in 2015, memory foam, an incredibly comfortable material, was created for NASA aircraft seats to weaken the impact of landing. The unique plastic property allows the material to return to its original shape when pressure is added to it. Another invention has greatly benefited the living of Americans today is the scratch-resistant lens. Conger also notes in his article that NASA needed a special coating to protect space equipment from dirt and dust particles in space. The Foster Grant sunglasses manufacturer took the idea of covering their lenses in this special coat, found that it worked very well, and started coating plastic lenses. These lenses are now widely used across the nation. For those who have cancer, space exploration invented the CAT scan, which was first used to scan space components for imperfections. It is now used to scan the body like an X-ray, but with more detail. It helps to find cancer tumors and various other diseases. Otto shared this information with us in his article, Apollo 11 Moon Landing, Top 15 NASA Inventions, in 2009. It states that the world would have never thought of these inventions if it were not for space exploration. Next, I'll explain the economic indifference it makes to have space exploration. There has been a war in Iraq going on for over 10 years, over something that most Americans aren't even certain of. The National Priorities Project put together a group of experts that shows the government has spent over $8 billion on the war in Iraq so far. The war is supposedly over, according to President Obama, but we still have so many people in Iraq that need to come home. This will require money and supplies to do so. Money that could be used for a better purpose. If it had not been for the war, Americans would not be so far in debt. Brooks states in his article, Putting NASA's Budget in Perspective, in 2007, for every $1 the federal government spends on space exploration, it spends $98 on other organizations. In other words, if America cuts spending on other social programs by just 1%, then we could nearly double the space exploration's budget. People think that budgetary problems would automatically disappear if we cut spending on federal projects, such as space exploration. People believe that taking the money put towards space programs and putting it towards other social programs would benefit the country and get rid of all existing financial problems. Jeff Brooks states again in his article, does anyone seriously believe that increasing spending on social programs from $1.581 trillion to $1.5 $1.97 trillion would make any appreciable difference? The answer to that is no. The economy would not magically get better if we got rid of space exploration, because it would mean cutting jobs here in the United States. Today, we have discussed how space exploration has benefited the world, and how little money we need to spend in order to keep it going. We Americans should want to push our nation to move forward, and one of those ways is through this space exploration funding. Thank you.
You're welcome.